This is the best part of the process, getting to see it. I like cleaning it where it's just standing up and down and I can scrub it, and then I'll like take it, I'll rotate it, and I'll clean it up and down the other way, flip it the other side, and then I'll just air dry it, right? For me, I don't care if I use ISO or ethanol because I can scrub the screen clean enough to the point where like fresh and clean. And what's crazy is when I'm doing hand static, because a portion of the contamination stays on top of the screen, there's multiple fractions when you do hand static. When you rub it, you're forcing the stalks through the screen. So those smaller particulates go through, the same with some small heads, right? Then the heads primarily stick to your hands, sometimes a few stalks depending on the material, but then the biomass and some contaminants stay on top of the screen. And so as you're rubbing those, that's getting rubbed into the screen and in between everything. So that's why I'll stop, I'll take my screen out, I'll blow it all out, I'll clean it, and then I'll go back to do my next pass.
Okay.
Until I hit 99.
Cool. Try to shoot it down.
Okay, so then we can just blow those out. We can take a look at it, the phone in a loupe, and just make sure that these are clean. I'll pull out a loupe and we'll just take a little look. I'll open up my camera, and then we're going to find the lens that it would go onto.
Yeah, it looked good. It did work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, so these are clean. These are ready for us to utilize for hand static.
Put them in a trash bag or something like that? Keep them dust free?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
Yep. Sweet.